Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Chrome. This is where Incognito mode lives. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right and click the three-dot menu. This reveals options. You choose New Incognito window on desktop or New Incognito tab on mobile, because that creates a private browsing session separate from your normal profile. Make sure you notice the dark theme and the incognito icon. They indicate you're in private mode and local browsing data. Once in Incognito, confirm the session by checking the dark header and the incognito icon. This visual cue matters. You should know why this helps. Chrome stops saving local history, cookies, and form data for that session, so sites won't leave traces on your device. However, make sure to remember what's not private. Downloads and bookmarks remain, and your employer or ISP can still see traffic. If that's a concern, consider a VPN or different account. To finish, close every incognito window or tab. Once all are closed, Chrome drops the session data. If Incognito won't open, check extensions. Some are blocked or disabled in private mode. Go to Settings, Extensions, and allow them if needed or disable problematic ones. If the mode still fails, restart Chrome, clear caches, or update the browser. An obsolete version can cause issues. One troubleshooting tip: reboot your device if problems persist, because that clears transient conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.